Hey, what's up everybody? Boostang 23T here. Just got in today my replacement Diode Dynamics switchbacks for my turning signals. I'm gonna go ahead and check them out and then see what the major differences are from the old batches with the new batch. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let's check it out. Alright guys, off the bat, I don't notice any major differences from appearance wise other than the pins being pulled out a little bit more compared to the old batch where we're flat down. Can't really notice any major differences or whatnot, not even in color. They sent me only the main bulb because that's the main problem. The side ones are not a problem and those fit really snug. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old ones and see how these fit, and we'll give you an update now. Alright guys, so I took off the first bulb. The only major difference that I can see here are the actual pins. As I mentioned earlier, the new ones are more pulled out, and one other apparent or obvious change here is that the pins are a little bit shorter. This is the old bulb, so you notice the pins are more flat and they're longer, so this might add just a little bit of more pressure, most likely, and so it gives it a more snug fit, these two adjustments that they did. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, and I'm gonna try a new different process as well. Additionally, I'm gonna go ahead and tilt these little pins 45-degree angle, so outwards, so that it's even tighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the alternative method on how to swap out your turn signals from the inside top bay. Alright guys, so this is what I did. I shifted the pins a little bit to outward at a 45-degree angle, more or less, on both sides, and then this should add a snugger fit into the socket. Alright guys, so you can actually change them from here from the bay. It's a little bit uncomfortable, but if you're careful enough, you'll still be able to get to the connector. As you can see there, I already have it disconnected on the left side. Then here on the driver's side, same thing. Just pull your hand over here and the connector is right there. So what you really got to do is just basically feel the connector, hold the bulb in your hand, and then just fit it in there, and that is it basically. Ain't got to do really much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and put this bulb in like I told you. So if you can, pull your hand through the those chambers there, this one and this one, you'll reach into the connector, and basically you can hold your connector with one hand and snug this in and snap it into place. You should be able to hear it, and then easily just put in the connector and turn it into locking position or whatnot. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, I'll go ahead and gladly respond to them. Thanks for watching. Boostang 23T. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.